Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Galaxy Watch 4 to a Samsung phone. First, let's prepare for a smooth connection. Make sure both your Galaxy Watch 4 and your Samsung phone are charged to at least 50%. Next, download the Samsung Wearable app from the Google Play Store onto your phone. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your phone and power on your watch, keeping them close together for optimal signal strength. Now, let's initiate the pairing. Open the Samsung Wearable app on your phone. You'll see an option to start or connect to a new device. Tap that, and your phone will begin searching for nearby watches. Once your Galaxy Watch 4 appears in the list, select it. A 6-digit pairing code will then display on both your watch and phone. Confirm these codes match to proceed. With pairing confirmed, it's time to complete the setup. You'll need to accept the terms and conditions on your phone. Then, grant the Samsung Wearable app all the necessary permissions it requests for full functionality, such as access to notifications and contacts. Your watch might also download and install any available software updates, which could take a few minutes. Afterward, you can personalize your watch settings directly from the app. Sometimes, you might encounter a hiccup. If your watch doesn't connect, try restarting both your Galaxy Watch 4 and your Samsung phone, then attempt the pairing process again. Also, ensure there are no other active Bluetooth devices nearby that could cause interference. For persistent issues, a factory reset of your watch might be necessary. Always keep your wearable app and phone's software updated for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.